movie project niya to, first acting project niya. Kaya feeling ko minsan kinakabahan siya, pero na-encourage namin siya palagi. Ayun. And nagbabond, yun, yeah, off-cam, music, yun yung pinag-uusapan namin.
Musician yourself also. Okay, thank you. Ito, comment, sabi nga namin, magbabasa po kami ng comment, so mag-comment na po kayo. Ito po, sabi ni Lovelyn Fortuno, yay! Excited sa mga project mo, Jaya.
Thank you.
Close, Jaya.
Okay, lalo ko yan si Adela.
Oh, there you go. Okay. Ito naman, still on open endings. This is from Neil Ramos of Tempo. What have you learned working on open endings?
What have I learned? Siguro because if really focused on the iba kasi yung maging topics sa open endings. Like, given na 4 girls kami, so ang daming na-open na iba-ibang topics per character. Iba-iba kami na pinagdadaanan. But at the end of the day, siguro yung value din ng friendship. How important it is to have a solid group that will yung sasaluhin ka, kahit ano man yung maging kalat mo, parang yun, yung value talaga ng friendship. Isa yun sa mga natutunan ko sa film. And what else? Siguro about ano din, parang self-discovery. Marami din ganun sa film. Hindi siya coming out film, pero makikita niyo, mayroon ding ganun. Parang ang dami kang madidiscover about yourself. Ay, okay, spoil. Yun muna.
Alright, thank you. Thank you for that non-spoiler answer. Ito naman from G. Trilliana of Malaya Business Insight. Why should we be excited to watch open endings? Bigyan mo sila ng rason, Janela. Why?
Kung ngayon pa lang hindi kayo excited, ewan ko na lang. Joke. Why should we be excited? Most importantly, I think, bihira, lalo na for the Sapphic community, bihira tayo magkaroon ng film na ganito. Sobrang bihira tayo magkaroon ng opportunity to be represented like this. So, every once in a while lang magkaroon ng ganito. So, yung binoboses natin na we need more films, we need more Sapphic representation. Ito na yun eh, parang when a film like this comes out, needs to be supported. Needs to be, our voices really need to be heard eh. Like, so, ayun, parang, exciting na yun eh, parang, like, yung concept pa lang ng film, it's a story that hasn't been told before. So, ayun.
Doon pa lang sa pagka-rare niya, no?
Yes.
It's enough reason. And syempre doon pa, itagdag pa natin ng cast, creators nito, it's a Cinemalaya enthusiast for sure. It's gonna be, you know...
It's gonna be a wild ride. Like, when you watch it, like I said, it's really an experience. So, i-grab nyo na yung experience.
And now that we're on that note, so we have a question here. How do you hope this film contributes to conversations about representation and inclusivity in Philippine cinema?
Okay. Like I said, maraming iba't ibang topics na binuksan tong film. Bawat character, meron talaga kaming nire-represent na struggles or like I said, kalat. Like, makalat talaga yung film, which is very real eh. Kasi lahat tayo may kanya-kanya tayong tinatagong struggles. And this time is focused on like a woman's point of view talaga. So, ano ba may question? Nawala ako.
How do you hope this film contributes?
Ayun,
Contribution.
So it's gonna open up many, bumalik na. HD ko. It's gonna open up many discussions din. Alam ko marami ng discussions ngayon pa lang, pero pag napanood niyo yung film, mas lalo kayong, mas marami siguro kayong magiging thoughts. Like, mapapaisip kayo na parang, ganito pala yung pinagdadaanan ng mga babae, lalo na. And there's also a topic about misogyny, about harassment. Meron din ganun sa film namin. About accepting yourself, ganun. So marami talagang topics na mabubuksan. And hopefully, pag napanood nila yung film, ay mag-spark siya ng discussions. And mag-spark siya ng inspiration to make more films like this. Or like different films pa.
Thank you. And speaking of inspiration, ito naman, it's a different kind. Still from G. Trilliana of Malaya Business Insight, you are blooming. How happy are you, Janela?
I'm happy. I mean, sabi ko naman sa huling interview ko, I'm currently very happy. In all honesty, today I'm actually tired. Kung kita niyo sa mata ko. Is it okay if I like share something lang, like a statement? Kasi hindi ko rin masigmura na nasa press ko na ako ngayong araw na to at hindi ako magsispeak up about the current happenings sa country natin. Gusto ko lang i-share, gusto ko lang maglabas ng statement na kasama niyo ako sa laban. Hindi man ako nakapag-attend ng rally kahapon kasi parang babagsak na ako sa pagod, tuloy-tuloy yung taping namin recently. But I would like people to know na kasama niyo ako sa laban, and it's really, really time na we all join forces and let our voices be heard. At tama na yung panggagago talaga sa ating mga Pilipino. Hindi natin deserve yung mga band-aid solutions. And it's really time. It's time for us to be heard. And sana gamitin din ng iba yung platform nila para doon. So, kasama niyo ako sa laban. And like I said, ngayon masaya ako pero sobrang sumasakit yung puso ko sa nangyayari sa country natin. So, kaya ako gusto i-share yun. Ayan. Ayan na.
Well, thank you for using your voice today dito sa ating Star Magic Spotlight Press Con. And you know, this also reminds us na hindi nagtatapos yung laban kahapon.
Hindi siya nagtatapos.
Patuloy ito.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, ngayon naman, meron tayong question from Lance Martinez of Metro.Style. Okay. You are a multifaceted artist. But at this point in your career, what do you wish to focus more on? Acting or singing? Why is that? And what can we expect from you next on that aspect?
I really enjoy both, talaga. Singing, I always say that singing is my first love. Acting, I learned to fall in love with it talaga. So, pero recently I've been doing, I want to say I've been doing more, no, I've been doing both. I'm not gonna lie. I'm working on an album. It's been a long process, hindi siya, medyo tumatagal lang, pero binubuo ko pa siya, yung album. And I'm also, like I said, like you guys can see, I'm working on 2 projects. And doon naman na ako sa open endings, pero I'm working on 2 acting projects. So, very, very busy lately. And hopefully, magawa ko pa rin pareho ng maayos. Sabi ko kasi ayokong pagsabayin na, pero nangyayari pa rin siya. So, ayun, sabay ko siya ginagawa.
Ang ganda ng problem na yan, di ba? Ayun, ang dami mong ginagawa, di ba? But at least,
thankful.
Oo, tsaka sa personality mo, I'm sure gusto mo yung ganyan, challenge ka.
Yes.
Yes.
Inspired naman ako ngayon, like, to make more music. I really, really want to release more. Tagal na eh, since the last time. So, hopefully malabas ko na yung album.
Yes, that's good news na may paparating na album. Yes, but we will wait for that kung kailan naman ready.
Thank you.
Yes.
Please.
But as you mentioned, marami kang ginagawa ngayon. So, going back to your role, so what lies beneath, you play a mom there. Yes, and let's talk about that role in real life naman. So, how do you balance being a mom and an artist?
I'm gonna answer this question very honestly. It's not easy talaga to find the perfect balance between being a mom and especially being in this industry where work is like, it's not like a 9-to-5 thing na kasi hindi mo talaga alam kung kailan ka meron, kung kailan ka magpapahinga, kung kailan ka makakauwi. Kaya minsan, recently, I've been It's been a struggle. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a struggle balancing it. But as much as possible, I try to still be as hands-on as possible kay Jude. Kasi ngayon, 4 years old siya. He's at the stage where ang dami niya nadidiscover about himself, ang dami niyang tanong, and I wanna be there to answer all those questions. Pero minsan, syempre, umuwi ako, pagod ako, ganun. So, pag may time ako, bumabawi talaga ako sa kanya. I try to spend time with him as much as possible. Nilalabas ko siya, take him out to lunch, or like, I just really spend time at home with him pag may time. Kaya yung pahinga ko ngayon, ayun yung ginagawa ko. Siya na lang.
Sabi mo nga kahapon, sobrang pagod ka na talaga, hindi ka na makalabas. So, balik tayo dun sa pahinga mo, dun sa bonding mo with Jude. Ano yung favorite mo na ginagawa mo with him?
Favorite? Honestly, right now, yung favorite ko yung conversations ko with Jude.
Nakakausap na talaga siya.
I mean, minsan nauubos din ako. Pero, ang saya na nakikita ko kung paano nag-work ngayon yung brain niya, yung curiosity niya about the world, ganyan. Ang dami niya talagang tinatanong. And discoveries about himself, yung emotions niya. Parang gusto ko i-figure out with him. Na-enjoy ko seeing how he's growing up to be his own person. Yun yung na-enjoy ko.
So now that you already have a role na bilang isang ina, meron ka ba bang ibang dream roles na gusto pang magawa?
Dream roles? Marami pa naman, actually. Ano ba i-share ko? Dati nung bata ako, pangarap ko maging si Marina.
Mermaid!
Yeah, pero naging mermaid na ako sa film. Pero yun, pangarap ko yun. Or si Mulawin. Gusto ko rin yun. Basta iba-iba. Gusto ko rin, siguro, I've already said this, pero I wanna star in a period film. Yeah. Parang gusto ko ng period na role. I think it would be interesting. Yeah.
Malalim-lalim na Filipino yun.
Yes.
Ready ka ba?
Okay lang. Galing akong aralin yun. Yes.
I've been looking at the comments. Siyempre maraming nagpapaabot ng kanilang love. May nagsabi, Janela Salvador sa TV Patrol, Anchor. They want to see you as an anchor. Ano ka ba? Isa rin ba yung sa mga roles na kaya mong gampanan, you think?
Siguro, ano lang, guess lang, gano'n.
Yes, di ba? Pa-promote ng ano.
Oo, pero siguro, kung tuloy-tuloy ko siya gagawin. Hindi ko lang. Pwede naman. Let's see.
Why not? Ito naman, also a question from our online viewers. If given a chance to work with an actor or actress that you have worked with before, who would it be and what kind of project? So, nakatrabaho mo na. Sino gusto mo maulit?
Siguro, gusto ko ulit makatrabaho either Miss Jolie Santa Maria in a more mature project, siguro, to be interesting. Or one of the It Girls, si Julia, siguro. Ayun, kasi nag-work na kami ni Julia before sa MMK, pero never kami nagkaroon ng project together. So, yeah, it would be interesting.
Julia Barreto.
Yes.
Siyas nga, nung una kong nakinig yung It Girls, ang naisip ko, yung mga Ann Curtis, Georgina Wilson, yung edad natin na paghahalataan.
It Girls 2.0.
Yung 2.0 na pala, oo. Aminin ko kayo rin. Oo, yes. Okay. Ito naman, okay, may isa pa tayong tanong from our online viewers. What are the challenging and fulfilling parts of being a mom? We want to know more about your mom side. Challenging and fulfilling.
Siguro, because Jude is a very vocal kid. As in, ano siya? Very, ano siya? Strong. Strong yung personality niya. He's very vocal about his boundaries. Iba yung generation nila talaga ngayon.
Woke na siya agad.
Grabe siya sa boundaries, pati sa akin.
Talaga, sino nagtuo? Ikaw?
Hindi nga eh, kaya ako nagugulat. As a mom, doon ako nagugulat na minsan mayroong mga bagay na hindi mo tinuturo pero lalabas lang ng kusa sa kanila. Parang yun lang talaga yung personality pa lang nila. And you have to learn yung personality ng anak mo, kung paano mo i-deal with yun. Siguro challenge for me now is keeping my cool. Like especially when like may nagawa si Jude na medyo... Kasi ano eh, maganda yung advice na binigay sa akin ni Ate Bianca.
Gonzalez.
Yes, when I guested on her vlog. She said parang, your kid is not giving you a hard time. They're having a hard time. So dun ako, parang just understanding, grasping that concept. Medyo mahirap eh, kasi iisipin mo, punong-puno na ako, grabe, ang kulit-kulit niya. Pero parang kailangan mong mag-step back and like to think na, he's just having a hard time dealing with his emotions. Kailangan mo talagang intindihin, kasi bata eh. Ayun, parang, yun siguro yung biggest challenge.
Yung fulfilling part naman.
Fulfilling, honestly, everything. Jude is a very sweet, malambing boy. As in, like I said, vocal siya. So vocal din siya about his love for me. Mahilig siya mag, I love you so much, mama. Ganyan. Just seeing him happy. Just seeing him thriving, confident. Seeing his confidence, it already makes me feel fulfilled and proud na at least nakikita ko na yung kahit pa paano yung pagpapalaki ko sa kanya is tama naman. Almost everything naman about it is fulfilling.
Very interesting, no? Na ngayon ang moms talagang iniintindi yung personality ng kanilang anak at such a young age. Pero ito may gusto namang umintindi ng personality mo. From YouTube, JNDS Lovers, Janela Salvador. Question to Janela, what's your MBTI?
Oh!
MBTI?
Wow!
Oo. Kasi talaga specific yung personality mo.
I remember recently, I just took that test recently.
Oh, nice!
Kasi nagbabago siya ata eh, parang per season. I think right now I'm an INFP. INFP.
Oh, INFP.
Or INFJ. Sorry, not sure. INFP or INFJ. Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Yan po ang kanyang sagot. Pero ito, meron tayong tanong na still about, balik tayo kay Jude. Yes.
Okay.
How do you manage co-parenting? Ito ay question from a Facebook online viewer. How do you manage co-parenting?
Co-parenting. I answered this na last time. It's not a walk in the park. It's not easy. It requires a lot of communication and compromise between both parties. Pero kung both parties naman ay willing makipag-usap ng maayos, it's gonna work out naman. Pero constant talaga eh. It's a constant like adjustment. Hindi siya yung mag-uusap kayo one time tapos yun na yan. Talagang, kasi growing up, you're dealing with a human being who's actually growing up. So it's really serious and challenging talaga. Challenging siya.
Communication is key.
Communication is key.
Maraming salamat po sa mga nagpaabot ng kanilang questions. So, meron pa po ba tayong question na ating i-entertain? Okay, I think our time with Janela is up. So before we let you go, Janela, we're so happy for your projects. We have Open Endings, What Lies Beneath, the upcoming album. So would you like to send a message to all of your faithful and loyal fans over the years and also invite them to your future projects?
Okay. First of all, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumubaybay today who joined us here sa PressCon. Yes. And to all the supporters who have been there and who are staying. I'm always thankful for you guys. Alam niyo naman na lahat yan. And I hope you guys support our film. Malapit na ang Cinemalaya. It's almost Cinemalaya season. It's my very, very first. So I'm very, very excited about this. I hope you guys are excited too. And